Hi guys, in this video we compare Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra versus OnePlus 12. The both mobile come with 5G network support and its release. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra launched on July 2024. The body dimensions. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra come with 6.31 inch height, 2.96 inch width and 8.4 mm thickness. The weight is 211 gram and the front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card, dual standby, and it has IP68 water and dust resistant. The OnePlus 12 body dimension 6.47 inch height, 2.98 inch width and 9.2 mm thickness. The weight is 220 gram and the front and back glass. The front is Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The back is Gorilla Glass and aluminium frame. The mobile come with dual SIM card and IP65 water and dust proof. The display of these devices. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra come with OLED 68 billion color screen type with 144Hz refresh rate, dual vision, HDR10 plus, and 4000 nits peak of brightness. The screen size is 6.67 inches with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The screen resolution is 1.5K and the preparedness is 446. The protection is scratch drop resistant glass. The OnePlus 12 comes with LTP AMOLED 1 billion color screen type with 120Hz refresh rate, dual vision and HDR10 plus, and it has 4500 nits peak of brightness. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 90.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the preparedness is 510. The operating system. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with Android 14 HyperOS operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus 4nm. The CPU is octa-core Cortex X4 3.25 GHz and the GPU is Immortal G720 MC12. The OnePlus 12 comes with Android 14 Oxygen OS 14 operating system. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of these devices. The Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM to 56 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The storage is UFS 4.0 and it could not support micro SD and nano memory card. The OnePlus 12 comes with 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. The storage is UFS 4.0 and it could not support memory card, micro SD card and nano memory card. The camera setup of these devices. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 MP wide, 8 MP ultra wide and 2 MP micro with dual LED dual tone flash HDR panorama and 8K 24fps and 30fps video record. The front selfie camera is 20 MP wide and it records 1080p 30fps video. The OnePlus 12 comes with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 MP wide, 64 MP periscope telephoto and 48 MP ultra wide with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 8K 24fps video. The front selfie camera is 32 MP with auto HDR panorama and 4K 30fps videos. Mobile come with stereo speakers, wireless audio, and it could not support 3.5mm jack. The battery backup. Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wire charging. The OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery, 100 watt fast wire charging and 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The price of these devices. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra launched with the $550 price tag and the OnePlus 12 comes with $698 price tag.